Learn how you can easily remove your card from your ad account. First of all, you have to go https business.facebook.com to access your ad account. Now from here you have to select your ad account. I am selecting my ad account, and once you select, then you can see this kind of interface. So from here you need to go your billing and payment option. So once you go billing and payment, then here you can see your payment method. Just press on this three dotted line and press on remove, and Facebook give you confirmation and press on remove. Then your card will be removed successfully. And if you want to add another, then you can press add another, or here you can see add payment method. You can easily add your another payment method as well. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.